Hey everyone, it's Kelly Rush, Product Manager for Camtasia. One question I often get from Camtasia users is, what can I do to organize my project timeline so that it's easier to edit? This is a great question, and there's lots of best practices you can employ here, from grouping sections of your video to renaming tracks so you have context later. However, in this video, I'm happy to show off another tool you can use for organizing your timeline, color labels for media. But first, make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the latest tips and updates for Camtasia. Okay, so what makes the color labels so great is that it's incredibly simple to add them to your timeline. Let's start by taking a clip from our media bin and adding it to the timeline. Once you've done that, simply right-click on the media, find the Add Color Label option, and choose one of the predefined colors available. You'll now see that your media has a color assigned to it, as well as a textured pattern for better accessibility. If you want to change the color later, you can repeat the process again to choose a different color. If you decide that you no longer need your media to have a color label, simply go back to that menu and remove the color. If you have grouped media on your timeline, you can even apply color labels to those. With a more complex timeline, you can add different color labels to all of your media and groups on the timeline, which helps you visually scan the different parts of your project to more easily find the section you need to work on. This saves you time and effort during the editing process so that you can reduce stress and focus more on the fun parts of creation. Hopefully this video is helpful. Leave a comment below about how you'll use color labels in your next Camtasia project. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video.